Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is science, and the presentation will have the following outline. First, I'm going to talk about science as a study of nature. Then I'm going to talk about science as a tool for discovery. Then I'm also going to talk about science as a tool for knowledge and understanding. Then I'll summarize the whole presentation at the end. So let's get started. Nature is big, and it entails everything we have in an environment around us. The sky, the sun, the moon, the sea, the land, everything we see, all the natural landmarks are things that we call nature. Now, science helps us study and understand these things we find in nature, because it is in understanding these things that we can apply, for the common human good. Science also helps us know the laws which govern the behavior of the various elements in nature. For instance, how the sun rises, how the moon behaves, and several other elements, how food even grows, food crops even grow from the land. And science also helps us connect to the different aspects of nature, because it is when we are able to connect effectively to all these elements in nature that we can actually apply them, for the common human good. And once we understand nature and our understanding and knowledge within these elements are deepened, we are able to apply them and develop and contribute positively, where the development can be balanced between the development of mankind and also the development of the environment without necessarily harming the environment in any other way. Now, scientific discovery is an important aspect of human development, because without it, it will be very difficult for mankind to develop. And nature, or the environment that we have around us, is filled with so much hidden knowledge that is waiting to be discovered. There's so many things within nature that mankind up to date does not understand. And scientific discovery helps us uncover this hidden wisdom that we can find in nature, so our understanding can be gradually deepened, and then we can gradually apply them for the betterment of our lives. Scientific discovery also helps us tap into nature's greatest potential. It is when we're able to tap into this, that we can have meaningful development for ourselves and for the environment. And without scientific discovery, development of mankind will be very difficult, and mankind will be blind, static, and ignorant, and it will be very, very difficult or even impossible for mankind to develop in the long term. Science is a tool for gathering knowledge from nature. And the knowledge that we gather from nature gradually gives us an understanding of how things work within nature. And the knowledge and understanding that we gather from science, gradually we can apply this for the common human good into developing systems that can help us grow and develop in the long term as a people. And the gradual application of this knowledge and understanding actually increases the wisdom of mankind. And at the point where we actually have our wisdom increasing, we get to actually understand more and more of nature and how things work within nature, so we can perfect our development with time as we make progress. And mankind can actually build a better world by knowing how to treat nature, because it is when we actually understand nature that we can know how well or how best to treat nature. And if we treat nature well, then we as men, or we as a people, can develop our lives, and we can also help nature also to develop without harming or having any devastating consequences on the environment. So in summary, nature is big, and it encompasses everything that we have around us, or everything that we see in the environment around us. And these things that we see in the environment around us, science is what helps us to study and understand these things. And science also helps us tap into nature's greatest potential, so we can develop as a people. And the knowledge and understanding that we gather from science gradually can be applied for the common human good, or can be applied to make the lives of people better with time. And without scientific discovery, mankind will be blind, static, and ignorant, and development will be very difficult or impossible. And at this point, I'd like to thank you for making the time to watch my presentation. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.